Hello my royal queens, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video on Katie by Royal Queens channel. Our channel is always evolving, and so is the world of fashion. Now that we've officially entered 2025, it's time to say goodbye to some of the trends that defined 2024. In today's video, we'll uncover 10 trends that are officially over this year, discuss the reasons behind their decline, and explore fresh alternatives to keep your style modern and chic. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Bows on everything. In 2024, bows were a major trend, making their way onto oversized bow-adorned dresses and various tops, including sweaters, cardigans, and baby doll styles. These pieces often featured exaggerated bow details that leaned more toward a youthful, almost childlike aesthetic. The trend even extended to unexpected places, with bows appearing all over pants, adding decorative ribbons and accents in ways that felt overly whimsical and excessive. However, as we step into 2025, this overly playful and decorative look has completely gone out of style. The exaggerated embellishments of bows are no longer in demand, as they fail to deliver a polished or sophisticated appearance. Number 2. The front tuck. The front tuck had its moment, offering a casual, chic way to style oversized shirts and sweaters. This styling trick has now become overdone and feels less natural than it once did. Opt for tops that complement your body proportions, such as tailored shirts or cardigans with a natural fit. Wearing these pieces untucked can create a balanced and elegant look, helping to highlight your silhouette without any extra effort. Alternatively, you can fully tuck in your shirt for a polished appearance, offering a streamlined and refined touch to your outfit. Adding a belt can further enhance this look, providing a classic and put-together finish that exudes sophistication. If you prefer, you can take a regular shirt and use a few simple tricks to adjust it, allowing you to create the desired style and shape that perfectly complements your proportions. Number 3. Overexposed luxury branding. The era of oversized flashy logos on handbags has officially passed. Bags covered in large, attention-grabbing branding no longer align with the refined elegance of today's style. Instead, subtlety is key. Understated luxury now takes center stage, with logos becoming smaller, more discreet, or even absent entirely. Look for bags that showcase exceptional craftsmanship and design rather than relying on bold branding. A structured leather bag with clean lines, high-quality stitching, and thoughtful details exudes sophistication without the need for a prominent logo. Brands like Chloe and Bulgari are prime examples of this approach. Their bags prioritize impeccable design and premium materials over flashy logos, making them the perfect choice for those who appreciate understated elegance. Number 4. Bags with words. Bags with words have had their moment, but their appeal has started to fade. Once considered playful and trendy, they now feel overly saturated and less refined. For those seeking a polished look, oversized word-adorned totes were once favored for their practicality, but their overuse has made them feel outdated. This year, the emphasis has shifted to clean, minimalist bag designs that focus on high-quality materials and understated elegance. Instead of bags emblazoned with bold slogans, opt for simple leather tote bags or larger models from brands like Pone. These bags strike the perfect balance between style and functionality, offering ample space for all your essentials without compromising on sophistication. Number 5. Barrel and ripped jeans. Barrel jeans and ripped denim had their moment, offering a relaxed and edgy vibe. However, despite their comfort, these styles often come across as untidy and far from elegant. Their overly casual design can disrupt your overall silhouette, making it challenging to achieve a balanced and polished look. Ripped jeans, while once a staple for a grungy or edgy aesthetic, often appear overly casual and even sloppy. These designs not only lack elegance, but can also disrupt the clean lines of an outfit, making them a poor choice for anyone aiming for a more polished or refined appearance. Replace barrel and heavily ripped jeans with wide leg or straight leg options in clean, solid finishes, dark washes, and classic silhouettes. These styles provide the perfect foundation for building chic and versatile outfits without compromising on comfort. Number 6. Long cardigans. Long cardigans, once beloved for their coziness, now feel less relevant in today's streamlined fashion landscape. Their bulky silhouette can overwhelm your frame, making outfits appear less structured and refined. The focus has shifted to more polished knitwear options that enhance your overall look. Instead of reaching for a long cardigan, consider lightweight, tailored knitwear that complements your proportions. Pieces like ribbed sweaters or fitted cardigans provide the warmth and comfort of knitwear while maintaining a sleek and modern aesthetic. These updated styles offer a fresh approach to layering, allowing you to create balanced and flattering outfits effortlessly. Whether paired with high-waisted trousers or midi skirts, these modern knitwear options provide an ideal combination of practicality and elegance. Number 7. Golden Goose sneakers. Golden Goose sneakers, with their distressed and pre-worn look, have lost their appeal as fashion leans toward more polished and refined styles. The worn aesthetic no longer aligns with the sleek and balanced direction modern wardrobes are taking. Instead, opt for timeless options like classic Adidas sneakers or white leather trainers in neutral tones. These styles bring a clean and contemporary feel to your outfits, effortlessly complementing everything from casual jeans to tailored trousers. Their understated design ensures they add a touch of elegance while maintaining practicality and comfort. Number 8. The Apple Watch. While functional and practical, the Apple Watch has become ubiquitous and is gradually losing its appeal as a chic accessory. Its sporty design, while perfect for workouts or casual settings, doesn't always align with more sophisticated or classic outfit choices, often clashing with elegant aesthetics. For a more polished look, consider analog watches with leather or metal straps. These timeless pieces not only serve as functional accessories, but also double as statement jewelry, adding a refined touch to your overall appearance. Number 9. The Gucci belt. The iconic Gucci belt with its oversized logo has had its time in the spotlight, but its bold branding is starting to feel out of sync with today's preference for understated elegance. Instead of opting for belts with prominent logos, choose leather belts featuring sleek, minimalist buckles in gold or silver tones. These styles add a touch of refinement to any outfit while maintaining functionality. A well-chosen belt can enhance your proportions and elevate your overall look without drawing too much attention. Number 10. Lip fillers. In 2024, lip fillers with dramatically overplumped results were at the forefront of beauty trends. However, the exaggerated look has started to lose its appeal as preferences shift toward a more natural and harmonious aesthetic. The focus now is on embracing one's unique features and celebrating natural proportions. This shift reflects a broader trend in beauty, an appreciation for subtlety and individuality over uniform, dramatic alterations. Sometimes, the most beautiful look is the one that stays true to you. And there you have it, 10 fashion trends from 2024 that are officially over. By leaving these behind and embracing the fresh styles of 2025, you'll keep your wardrobe feeling current, polished, and exciting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fashion-loving friends. Which trend did you embrace in 2024 but have decided to leave behind in 2025? Share with us in the comments and be part of the conversation. Always stay tuned for new ideas and the latest fashion trends. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep your confidence high and your style even higher. Until next time, be stylish and confident. Thank you for watching. Stay royal. Stay fashionable. Katie by Royal Queen Channel.